Item number 5.2, correct? 5.2, extension of contract for the road marking. We have Mr. Dennis Lewis. Good afternoon, Dennis.
Good afternoon, Your Worship, Councillors. I will take the item as read. It is for the last year renewal of the road marking contract. We've done a pretty good job thus far, and I'll be recommending that resolution there. I'll take any questions.
Okay, thank you, Dennis. Any questions of Dennis regarding the road marking? Is everyone happy?
I've just got a question, Your Worship.
Councillor Hackman.
Dennis, I see the previous year it was 100,000, and I read that there is additional, probably in our long-term plan to do additional road markings. So this additional 80,000 is, how does that weigh up? Because last year it was 100,000 on. That's it.
Certainly, Councillor, I fully expected this question. The additional 80,000 is largely attributable to the section of the highway that we took over from
Wairoki Drive.
From Wairoki Drive down to the airport. Not all of it, but the majority of it is for the road marking. And this coming year will be the first year that we've remarked the whole lot of it. Yeah. And that was provided for and anticipated when we developed the long-term plan.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent answer, Dennis. Well done. well picked up, Councillor Hackman.
Not bad.
Me? Okay, thank you, Dennis. Nothing further?
No, thank you, Your Worship.
All right, suggested recommendation there that we go with Roadrunner. Roadrunner. Marcus. Limited. We have a mover. Thank you, Councillor Kinney. Seconded by Councillor Hickman. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.